10 things you're still paying for quietly died. They used to be worth every penny. In 2026, they stopped being worth it. Nobody sees them die, so you keep paying. Each one leaks money, silently, every month. Most people never notice a single drip. But the last leak is the killer. The one almost nobody suspects. Over 10 years, it outcosts the other 9 combined. It hides inside spending you call responsible. I've saved it for number 1. Count your own leaks as we go. I call these silent money leaks. A leak is a purchase that outlived its point. You approved it once, it bills you forever. I'll show you each one's true 10-year price. The math: every $100 a month invested becomes about $17,000 in 10 years. That assumes 7% returns, a rule of thumb, not a promise. So tiny monthly leaks carry 5-figure price tags. Leak number 10: extended warranties and device insurance. 10 years ago, saying yes made sense. Electronics were fragile, and repairs cost a fortune. In 2026, your gadgets rarely die young, and your credit card often doubles the warranty free. But the register still asks, every single time, because the warranty makes more profit than the product. A few yes a year, about $25 a month. Invested instead, that's $4,300 over 10 years. A vacation, traded for paper you never used. Self-check: did you say yes at a register this year? If yes, that's 1 leak on your counter. Plugging leaks with me? Subscribe. Defending your money is exactly what this channel does. Leak number 9: your big bank's fee menu. Those fees once bought branches, tellers, a vault. In 2026, an app does all of it free. But maintenance, ATMs, and overdraft charges still bill about $28 a month. Overdrafts alone hand banks billions every year. Your 10-year bill: for $1,800 for nothing. Self-check: any line on your statement that says fee? Found 1. Click. 2 leaks. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Those first 2 leaks were pocket change. Every leak from here out costs both combined, starting with 1 hiding on your phone. Leak number 8: the subscription graveyard. Every subscription made since the day you clicked. A show, an app, a free trial. But 2026 runs on autopilot billing. People guess less than half of what subscriptions really take. And cancel pages are built like mazes on purpose. The forgotten ones drain about $45 a month. That's $7,800 over 10 years for apps you never open. Self-check: count the ones untouched for 30 days. Each dead, one still billing? Click. Most people just hit 3. Leak number 7: the cable bundle. For 40 years, cable earned its price. It was the only pipe into your living room. 200 channels, because there was no other way. In 2026, you stream everything you actually watch. But the bundle bets you'll never audit the bill. It runs about $60 a month past the streaming you'd pick. 10 years, $10,400 for channels playing to an empty couch. Self-check: when did you last watch live cable? Can't remember? Click. 4. And the next leak upgrades itself every September. Leak number 6: the yearly phone upgrade. Upgrades used to be genuine leaps. New camera, new speed, whole new powers. In 2026, a 3-year-old flagship does everything. The leap shrank, the price grew. Carriers bury it as a monthly device payment. Staying current runs about $70 a month. That's $12,100 over 10 years for a slightly sharper selfie. Your current phone becomes leak-free the day it's paid off. Self-check: is a device payment on your bill? Endless upgrade cycle? Click. 5. Leak 5 punishes you for being faithful. Leak number 5: the loyalty tax. Insurance, internet, phone plans, loyalty used to pay. Stay a decade, earn the best rate. In 2026, renewal pricing runs on algorithms, and they quietly charge faithful customers more. It even has a name: price walking. New customers get the deal you actually deserve. Never reshopping costs about $85 a month across those bills. That's $14,700 over 10 years for staying put. 1 fresh quote often saves $40 a month instantly. Self-check: 2 years without comparing a single rate? Click. 6. For the loyal ones. Leak number 4: delivery apps as a default. In 2019, delivery really was cheap. Investors paid half your bill to hook you. That era is dead. In 2026, Fees, markups, and tips add 60 to 100%. The $14 burrito lands at $26. Twice a week runs about $120 a month past pickup. That's $20,800 over 10 years. A used car, eaten one quiet Tuesday at a time. Self-check, is a delivery app on your home screen? Default, not treat. Click. 7. Leak 3 is parked outside your window. Leak number 3, the brand new car. Your parents bought new for a real reason. Cars used to rust out by 100,000 miles. New meant reliable, used meant roulette. In 2026, engines routinely run past 200,000. A 3-year-old car is just as dependable, minus the 30% cliff the first owner paid. Let someone else pay that cliff for you. Buying new and trading early runs about $190 a month extra. Invested, that's $32,900 over 10 years. You're paying a fortune for the smell. Self-check, was your car brand new when you bought it? Click. 8. Leak 2 isn't even a thing. Leak number 2, paying monthly for everything. Not one purchase, a whole way of buying. Financing used to be rare and cheap. One car note, maybe a 0% deal. In 2026, everything grew a monthly button. Couches, phones, vacations, burritos in 4 installments. Card balances ride at 24% interest. Late fees now catch roughly 1 in 4 installment users. Each payment looks tiny. Together they own your paycheck. The interest and markups average about $230 a month. That's $39,800 over 10 years, rent paid on money. You're not buying things, you're renting money. Self-check, count the payment plans leaving your account. 3 or more. Click. 9. 9 leaks, about $147,600 over 10 years. Now the one that outcosts them all combined. It's not a gadget, not a vice. It's the most responsible-looking purchase you'll ever make. Leak number 1, the maximum mortgage. Buying every dollar of house the bank approves. In the 3% era, stretching was genius. Cheap money, rising prices, the house paid you back. A whole generation learned, buy the most house possible. In 2026, that rule is dead. Rates near 7%, prices at records. The same stretch now works against you, but the bank still approves the maximum. Because the maximum is their best deal, not yours. Every extra $100,000 approved costs about $665 a month for 30 years. Add taxes, insurance, and upkeep on rooms you barely use. The typical stretch leaks about $900 a month. Invested instead, $155,700 over 10 years. More than the other 9 leaks combined. And it wears a halo the entire time. Self-check. Is housing eating over a third of your take-home? If yes, click the big one. 10. Now read your counter. 0 to 2, your ship is tight. 3 to 6, perfectly normal, and normal leaks 6 figures a decade. 7 or more, you just found serious money. Because that's the trick of silent money leaks. Nobody steals your wealth in 2026. You wire it to them, monthly, politely. So plug one leak this week, just one. Even the smallest buys back a vacation. If this list just paid for itself, hit like. It helps this reach people still leaking. Now tell me below, what's your leak count? 0 to 10, one number is enough. And if you want your money defended all year, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is built for. Because leaks never announce themselves. They just keep billing until you look. You just looked. Keep your $300,000.